Today we will be learning about 10-point circle and friendly numbers. So first of all, let us see what is a 10-point circle. This circle over here is called 10-point circle. But what is so special about this circle? Let's see. So in this circle, if you observe that if we add these two quantities, they will add up and give us a 10. Similarly, if you add these quantities, then also the sum will be 10. And similarly here also, if you add 7 plus 3, then also it gives us a 10. And if you add 6 plus 4, then also it gives us a 10. Now this is clear and we have understood this concept. Also, if we add 5 to 5, then also it gives us a 10. Alright, now we can move ahead of 10 also. If we write 11 over here, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 and so onwards, that is 21, 22 and so onwards. Then we observe that any number in this column when added to any number over here will give us a multiple of 10. Similarly, any number over here when added to any number at this place will give us a multiple of 10. And the same can be said for these numbers. The same can be said for the other two rows, that is this and this. Okay. And then we move on to the next part, that is what are friendly numbers. Okay. So these numbers are called friendly numbers, that is 1 and 9 are called friendly numbers, 2 and 8 are called friendly numbers because they add up to give us a multiple of 10. 3 and 7 will be called friendly numbers and similarly 4 and 6 will be called friendly numbers. But then we can extend this definition and we can say that friendly numbers can also be expressed in combinations of 3. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 7 will also give us a multiple of 10. 2 plus 3 plus 5 will also give us a multiple of 10 and there are many such examples which I hope you can do it yourself. Alright, now let's move on. So now we will see what is the application of 10-point circle and friendly numbers. Now we will add some numbers by completing in pairs of 10. For example, the first question is 24 plus 26. Now we observe that 4 and 6 are friendly numbers. So 4 plus 6 will give us 10. Therefore, this one will now be added to this 2 plus 2 and hence the answer will be 50. Let us take another example. Now over here we observe that 7 plus 3 will be added and will give us 10. Similarly 6 plus 4 will be added and give us 10. Now it is very simple to add 10 and 10. We will get the answer as 20. The traditional method of solving this question would have been that you add 7 plus 6 and we give us 13. Then you add 3 over here which will give us 16 and then you add 4 in this place which would have given us the answer as 20. But I would have preferred this method which is very obvious and you should learn to recognize friendly numbers and to pair a friendly number so as to maximize your calculation speed. Now let's move on. Next question is 54 plus 16 plus 7. So here again 4 and 6 are friendly numbers. So 4 and 6 will add together to give us a 10. So this one will be added to 1 and 5 which will give us 70 plus 7. So the answer would have been 77. Alright, let's say one more example. So we have 21 plus 43 plus 27 plus 84 plus 16. Now please observe that 4 and 6 will pair up to give us 10. 3 and 7 will pair up to give us 10 and this will be added to this one. So the unit place will be 21. This is the units place. And for tens place we have that this 8 will be added to this 2. So this is also going to give us a 10. So plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. So that is 7. So the tens place is 17 and the unit place is 21. This 2 is going to get carried over and we will get the answer as 191. Now let us check out the last question of the day. Okay, this question seems to be a bit complicated. Okay, 7 plus 3 will pair up, will give us 10. Then 2 plus 5 plus 3 will pair up to give us 10. 9 plus 1 will pair up and give us a 10 again. 8 plus 2 will pair up and give us a 10. So as you observe that all these numbers have been added successfully, okay, and with very little effort. So which gives us 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So this is 40 plus the number 7 which is left. So the answer would have been 47. Today, we will be learning about adding numbers in a particular pattern. For example, 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 7777. Okay. And similarly, we have a few examples like this. Let's see. So these are all the questions that we are going to be solving one by one. Now let's get started. So the first question is 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 4 times 7. Okay. So what we do is we take 7 common and we write 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111. So we write 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all we need to do is we need to do a little bit of multiplication. So 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14, 7 into 3 is 21 and 7 into 4 is 28. So this 2 is going to get carried over. So we will get 7, 14, 23 and 8. This 2 is going to get carried over. We are going to get 7, 16, 3, 8 and lastly this 1 is going to get carried over. We are going to get 8, 6, 3, 8 and that is going to be our answer. Let's look at the other question. 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus 5555 and 55,555. Again what we are going to do is we are going to take 5 common. So we are going to get 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 4 times 1 and 5 times 1. So we are going to write 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will have to do some multiplication. So 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 4 is 20, 5 into 5 is 25. Now all we need to do is, you know this method, okay, we are going to go like this. So we will just write down the answer in this manner and we will get the answer as 61725. I hope you can do it yourself because we have done a few questions like this earlier also, okay. So let's get moving. Now let us look at the next question, that is this one. So this question has decimal places involved. So we are going to take 3 common. And we are going to write 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 plus 0.1111. Okay. And hence we will get 0.4321. So all we need to do is we need to do a little bit of multiplication. So 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 4 is 12. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Then 3 into 2 is 6. And lastly 3 into 1 is 3. So this is a very simple one. All we need to do is we need to just take this 1 carried over and we are going to get 1.2963 and that is our final answer for this question. So now the next question is this one. Okay. So obviously the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to take 8 common. So we are going to get 0.1 plus 1.1 plus 11.1 plus 111.1 plus 4 times 1.1. So if we add these numbers we are going to get 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4.5. All we need to do is we need to do a little bit of multiplication and thereby we get 8 into 1 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 8 into 3 is 24, 8 into 4 is 32 and 8 into 5 is 40. So then again you know the process, so this will get carried over, okay, and hence we will get the answer as 9876.4 and this is the final answer of this question. Last question of this lecture. So we have 2 plus 2.2 plus so onwards, okay. So we will take 2 common and we will get 1 plus 1.1 plus 1.11 plus 1.111 plus 1.4 times 1 plus lastly 1.5 times 1, okay. And if we add all these numbers we observe that this becomes 6.54321. Now all we need to do is we need to multiply these numbers. So 2 into 6 becomes 12, 2 into 5 becomes 10, 2 into 4 becomes 8, 2 into 3 becomes 6 and then 4 and then 2. Now this is a simpler calculation, so all we need to do is we need to carry over this one. So this will become 13.08642, and that is going to be our final answer. Thank you. In this video, we will be learning a magic trick using addition. So what we'll do is, first of all, we will ask a friend for a 4-digit number. Let us suppose the number that we get from the friend is 8760. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to write down a number 28758 on a piece of paper, fold it up and give it to the friend. Okay. So write down a number 28758 on a piece of paper, fold it up and give it to the friend. Make sure that he or she still cannot see what is the number written over here. So now let's move on. Now that we have a 4-digit number, that is 8760. Ask your friend for a second 4-digit number. Okay. Let the number be 6374. Okay. Now what I'll do is, now I will write down a number of my own choice. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write down a number of my own choice, and I am going to write 3625. Alright, now let's move on. Now again, ask your friend for a third 4-digit number. Okay, and let the number be 5267. And again, I will write down a 4-digit number of my own choice. So what I'll do is, I will write down a number and let the number be 4732. Now, all we need to do is, we need to add these numbers. So adding all the numbers written above, we get a sum. And if you add all these numbers, you will realize that this sum is nothing but 28758. Okay, and in the beginning we had written a number on the piece of paper and gave it to the friend. The number on the paper was 28758, which is the same as this number. Okay, and this, my friends, is the magic trick. You can also do this trick to impress your loved ones. Now I am going to tell you the logic behind this magic trick. Okay, so let's move on. The logic behind this magic trick is very simple actually. If you realize, then 6 plus 3 becomes 9, 3 plus 6 becomes 9, 7 plus 2 becomes 9, 4 plus 5 becomes 9. So although it may seem that this is the number given by you and this is the number that I had written at random, this is in fact not a random number but a very calculated number. So if you add these two numbers, you are going to get 9999. Okay. Similarly, this is not a random number. Okay. This was the number given by you, that is 5267. Okay. And this is the number 4732 that we had written deliberately. So this number is again 9999. So this 9999 can in fact be written as 10,000 minus 1. And again this quantity can also be written as 10,000 minus 1. Now what you do is, you subtract 2 from the number 8760. So when you subtract it, you get 8758. And then now all this taken care of, all we need to do is, we need to add 10,000. And hence we wrote down the answer as 28758. Okay, and this is the number that we had written on the piece of paper. So all I needed was this number, that is the first number, and I had written my number as 28758. Okay, I hope you have understood this magic trick and have enjoyed it. Thank you.